To change the transmission or main gear case fluid on your RZR Pro S or Pro XP, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, place a drain pan underneath the transmission. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Then, clean the area around the fill plug on the back of the transmission. Now, remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Then, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Continue by inspecting the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Next, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Then, add the recommended fluid through the fill plug hole until the fluid is even with the bottom of the fill plug hole. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Once filled, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.